The sensor has 5 wire ends, and there are usually wire markings on the cable. Connect to the corresponding terminals of the expansion module according to the markings on the wire markings. The 2 wires marked with V+ and V- and V in the connecting wire are connected to the positive and negative ends of the expansion module wiring terminals. The 2 wires marked with AS and BS in the connecting wire are connected to the A and B terminals of the expansion module. The sensor is connected to the computer using an expansion module and then operate via Modbus pole. First, right-click My Computer on the desktop. Select Manage. Select Device Manager. Click Ports. Check whether the USB serial port COM3 is connected successfully and remember the port number. Then open the Modbus pole software. Click Connection on the menu bar. Select the first line of connection setup in the drop-down menu to set. The baud rate for the first use shall be based on the slave label. The connection option selects serial port by default. Serial settings option select USB serial port COM3. Set other parameters to default and click OK. Then click Setup on the menu bar and select Read or Write definition. The factory setting of slave ID is 10, just enter 10. Note that it is subject to the line mark. Function select 03 read holding registers 4x. Enter 2 for address. Enter 2 for quantity. Set other parameters to default and click OK. Right-click and select the Format option. Select 32-bit float. Click Little Endian Byte Swap. The parameter value that appears is the TSS value. You can manually enter the name of the corresponding value for easy viewing. Click New Window. Then click Setup on the menu bar and select Read or Write definition. The factory setting of slave ID is 10, just enter 10. Function select 03 read holding registers 4x. Enter 6 for address. Enter 2 for quantity. Set other parameters to default and click OK. Right-click repeatedly and select the Format option. Select 32-bit float. Click Little Endian Byte Swap. The parameter value that appears is the TSS factor value. Click on the new window and repeat the previous operation. Enter 11 for address. Enter 1 for quantity. Function select 03 read holding registers 4x. The parameter value that appears is the scraping time. Set the required parameter data according to the address location and number of registers in the manual. If you need to set up automatic scraping, double-click the value of the automatic scraping command. A window will pop up. Change the value of vol to 15 minutes. In this way, 15 minutes will be displayed in the window of the scraping time value. Manually set the scraping brush. Double-click the value of the manual scraping brush command. A window will pop up, and change the vol value to 66.